always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah,
Assalamu alaikum guys. kusoo dhawaada channelka ayaan iyo tufaax waa aniga soo noqonay mar labaad iyo mar saddexaadba.
maanta waxaa nala jooga Xaliima Sacdiya from all the way Xidhaqo. Xaliima soo dhawow.
Thank you guys, and let's get to the video.
maanta waxaan sameynaynaa qofkee aniga aad ii yaqaan labadooda who knows me better challenge baan sameynaynaa. marka su'aalo baan weydiinayaa labadooda isku marka midkii hor dhaha saxda baa point leh. qofkii ma taqaanaa loose gareeya challenge-gana wuxuu cabayaa sharaab aan halkan ugu diyaariyay anuu gacantayda ku sameeyay. markaas nala socdaan ku dhahay nala socda. You guys ready?
Yes, I was there again.
su'aasha labaad waxay tahay, do I prefer tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Diamond, I said it first.
Yeah, I said first. I'm gonna
ayaan ayaa pointiga iska leh, Xaliimana 0. su'aasha labaad. No, su'aasha saddex. What are 3 things that you guys like about me?
Your personality as a person and what else?
You don't say nothing. You don't need to say anything.
Your personality.
No,
I'm
she
talking.
first.
Okay.
Your personality.
Okay.
Personality is like everything, right?
Yeah. Everybody knows that I have a
That's
good
one
personality
that's
also.
Like one answer.
Bitch.
You're beautiful, which I like about you. You're so gorgeous, mashallah.
I
This is
know
all-
Okay,
And the third one is you respect people a lot.
That's true though. Okay, qofkii u soo dhaweeyay ma taqaan waxaan iyada ku
You're
hay.
honest
Hey,
for everything. This girl doesn't lie. Okay.
that's true.
The second one is
That's really true.
you help people a lot. The third, more people. You care.
Yo, I'm gonna go with Ayan though. Wallahi. No.
I say your personality. Wait.
Yes.
I talk about your personality. I talk about how beautiful you are.
I know I'm beautiful. Are you beautiful? Everybody's beautiful. Like
do it
you.
that way.
Ayan
Yo,
runta
I
ka
have a
sheegtay.
2 point. Guys, let's talk about 2 point 1 haysta.
Ayan ayaa runta ka sheegtay. Runta.
waan ku taabtaan waxaad muddo inaan guri la seexdo ogaatay waxay ka samaynaysaa.
Waa la seexanaa.
You guys live so
Kuwadina ka seexan way meen kasta. Aasha afraad waxay tahay wallahi taleefkayga ha fiirinina dee.
Hay, I'm not
Xaliima
looking for-
wallahi for real.
Yo, Xaliima, you're cheating, dog.
If I was cheating, I would have get all the points. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Listen, if I was cheating, I wouldn't be saying
Okay,
it.
hayaa fiirina taleefkayga for real hadda.
Hay, hay.
Ilaahay ka baqa.
Walaa, I'm not cheating,
Hay.
guys. Way aragtiin, yeah? Ila socdo.
Su'aasha afraad waxay tahay, what's my favorite color? Yellow.
Why do I have to think about it? Why do I have to think about it? Like, yo.
Yellow,
I
bitch.
had to think about it. I forgot it. Okay,
Anyway,
One and
2.
two.
No, 2 and 1.
Yes.
Okay, su'aasha shanaad. What's one crazy thing that I used to do when I was a child?
I used to fight a lot.
Fight.
Used to fight every single day.
So we
I
both
answered
get
it first.
that.
Who said okay?
She
Okay,
said
I'm
it.
gonna
She
give
said
you both
fight,
the
and I said I
points.
used to fight every day. That's what
The
you
same
used to
thing.
do.
It's the same. She
Fight.
said fight.
Used to
That
fight
was like
is literally the same.
But I get it first.
I get it first.
but-
Okay, let's make it 2 and 2.
Are you too?
Fair.
Okay, wait.
Okay, 2 and 2. Okay, let's do it. Yo,
Okay, 6. Hada soo fiiri walahi marka video-ga daawanaya hadaad u jidkariso ku arko, I'm gonna kill you.
Okay.
Okay, 6. Who is my Somali favorite?
So that's it.
Su'aasha.
I say
That's
first.
what
I say first. Who?
I was saying it first.
Yeah.
I say first. But I was
Like when I was jidkarisa Somali like
Well,
when I was
I
like-
didn't look.
I was looking how cute I look.
Hey.
Sorry.
Anaa busy
I'm
squad.
just joking.
Yo, I look
Why
all
is
this
it too
nah,
much
like,
there?
you know,
Next.
Confidence is the key.
To life.
Ah.
To a bright life. Okay.
Okay, 7. Who do I look up to?
Your grandma.
Yo,
I say
Hopefully she's louder than me. That's all, guys. I can be 10 times louder than you.
I'm
Chill,
gonna
like,
give you
it
boys
was wallahi.
boys.
Okay,
No, no, no,
okay,
it's
saddex,
Sinaya.
saddex.
Saddex.
I
Because
don't
literally,
agree.
ayada ma
You want me to bring a lawyer dhan ma ku keena? I
I
don't
am-
agree. Hadhow markaa fiirsatay is
Yo,
okay.
guys, comment below qofka ka horay uu dhahay, like, you know.
No sheega. Okay, 8. 8.
7.
8.
Okay.
8.
Where was I
Kiss
born?
smile.
I said first.
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. I said it first.
Okay.
I said it 100%. 100%.
Okay, keep going.
Ha soo fiirina xaggaa fiiriya.
Okay.
9, yeah?
Okay.
At what age do I want to get married?
34.
35.
No, 34.
No! Last time you said 35.
I was 34.
Did you say 34 or 30? No, 34 actually.
Actually 34.
34.
Okay, go.
So,
So what's the point? What's the
4
point?
and 3.
No, I get 2 right after her. What are you talking
Okay,
about?
5
5
well,
and 3.
5 and 3 هي.
Yes.
والله
Wallahi,
ما لكن all I know is
I got the smile one and the fight one. She give us both the points. Remember? Don't play with me.
So 5 and 4, yeah?
Yeah.
Somehow.
No, 5 and 3. This girl have 3.
No. Nobody know when see. Okay,
Yeah.
actually she give it to you the last one. Wait, I don't know.
Kiss smile. I get it right, right?
Okay, 5 and 3.
Yes.
Okay, I am.
Yo, that's not fair, guys.
swear.
Come do ko sa kola
Comment
wallahi.
because I'm winning. Next.
I just want to cry.
Who is my favorite person in the
Ayala.
family?
Ayala.
Aniga.
Ayala.
I am good, right?
Hey, you know Ayala is the real deal.
He's behind the camera also.
Shout out to him.
Cameraman.
Love you.
The one who's behind all this. I'm just joking.
What's my dream car?
Oh, cheap.
Yeah, I answered it first.
So 4.
That's
So
what I'm
for-
talking about. She
6.
doesn't even know who said it first. She doesn't even know who said it
Yeah.
first.
No, I said first.
Same time and answer.
Okay.
Yeah, 65.
You guys
I
want to
think
do
6
something?
and 5. Well, I'm not.
7 and 6. You have.
Wala, meron
Four.
pa rin yung ganun.
Yo,
Four and
I'm
six.
losing
Four and
wallahi.
4 and 6. Okay, 4 and 6.
I have 6. Let me relax. This is the last sec.
The last question.
Okay, 11.
This
No, 11 ba na.
Okay.
No, actually 12.
Okay.
How many languages
3.
do I speak?
3.
I'm actually English and
3.
Somali.
Let me
yeah,
answer
yeah,
it.
yeah.
No,
No,
what?
what?
I said 3. You didn't ask me which ones. Excuse me. Let me tell you why.
Yo, what kala sheegay hata?
This is cheating. I
Oh,
know.
why?
No,
Yo,
I said.
5 ang laya aniga hata.
No,
I
I
said
answered.
something.
You answered which ones?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
asked how many.
I said
Meeqa?
3 as well too.
But أنا كافر ده.
Ayadoo waxay tiri
Yeah,
before.
hadda ayaan lo.
Before internet su'aasha dhamayna bay tiri already 3.
Exactly. I
Aniga
need
warna 3 ba
Before
so we
you
have
even
to
how
have
many
3. Waa
languages?
inaan sugna 3 inta ka
Yeah, let me get my answer. The rest for me. Thank you. Have a good day. I'm winning. Mama,
Maxay tahay su'aasha? Naqaaqorta horta. Oh, okay.
what scares me?
12. I mean 13. What scares me the most?
You think at that point I forgot it
Okay,
already.
what scares me?
Oh, raping girls like Costa Shop. Oh my God, my brain works.
Ayan,
Wallahi,
why
my
did you
brain
say
works.
that?
I give up. There's no point to
Whereas my brain works like fresh.
To all of you mans out there, gabdhaha islaamka kufsanaya, gabdhaha Soomaali kufsanaya.
Shame on
Get
you.
a life, man. Isku xishood.
Shame on you.
What the hell?
Raping
Gabar
is
waa
not
idin
the
dhashay.
same.
Waa la dhalateen.
Hooyada
Waa
waa-
guursanaysaan. Like,
I don't know.
Respect. What the heck?
F. Don't swear, kids.
If you ever bring
Who
her
said it was
flowers,
that?
she will just throw them. So,
Yeah.
but hash out there, don't waste your flowers on this
Exactly,
girl.
well, I
'cause
don't.
I'm telling you.
أنا also tag now.
I see so many flowers, she just throw them in the garbage.
على كل حال Ayan. Yeah? I love her, but
Mama.
guess what?
I'm the loser,
Mama,
mama.
hello, mama. I made it. Mama, I made it. I'm not drinking that.
She lost the challenge.
Hello, mama.
That means what? You
She's
tell us.
drinking.
I didn't even tell them.
I swear, this is legit the most disgusting.
You guys want to eat some together because I thought this door and I didn't take care
Listen
of
to Kala.
Hello, Akbar, ila, ayan, sharap ko.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Here. Woo.
You know where I
I didn't mean that. Akbar.
Yo, maxaa isku daray mataqaanaa miyooniskow dheh bisbaas casaan laba dheh iyo apple juice 3 iyo yaro I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. What's
I'm here for that thing.
How
I want you to take a sip. Let me see you take a sip. Let me see. Let me watch this. This show is way better than.
Yo, you did that one. Like, good job.
Give us.
Give me a vibe. Can I get a vibe? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please
Subscribe.
this all for today. You're gonna see me more in more videos.
Yes,
I'm
you
here.
will.
I'm here for the good. But you know, do you think? Subscribe.
Like,
Yo, how can tawa kas ragma was free like
Okay, let's.
Like,
ask people
Greta.
nicely.
So thank you so
Wala
much, guys. We
Somali
appreciate it.
Wayne. Ayan, let me ask nicely.
Okay, go ahead.
Wala
Take it away.
Somali. Subscribe. Wallahi lacag ma ahan. Nothing. Don't tak. That comment. Finish. Do the whole thing. Like